Good morning, class. I'm your ABS teacher Sheetal. This is the video for class 3, and the chapter we are discussing is chapter 9, Soil and Rocks. In the previous video, you all studied about the soil, how soil is formed, and what are the different types of soil. The types of soil were clay soil, sandy soil, and loamy soil. And today we are going to discuss the importance of soil. Soil is very useful for farmers. Different types of soil are useful for growing different type of crops. Basically, the soil is very useful for the Indian farmers or the farmers anywhere in the country. And different types of soil, the different quantities which you studied, that there are different types of soil, and the farmers use different types of soil to grow different type of crops. Soil is also home to various animals and insects. The soil is the home of various animals and insects also. Animals like earthworm, beetles, snail, and ants live in soil. All these animals live under the soil. Earthworms make the soil fertile by contributing to humus formation. So the earthworm makes the soil fertile by contributing to humus formation. Crops grow better in fertile soil. The best soil for the crops is the fertile soil. Farmers need to plow the soil so that the air and water can reach the roots of the plant. You must have seen in the village areas that whenever the farmer has to sow the seeds, first they plow the soil and then they put in the seeds so that proper air and water can go under the roots of the plant. As earthworms move through the soil, they dig tunnels that allow air and water to seep through the soil. Now, what happens when the earthworms walk under the soil? They make spaces, they make gaps between the tunnels, and that allows the air and water to go deep into the soil. Hence, plants grow in soil with ease, and so the plants grow. Earthworms are therefore called farmer's friend, and earthworms are also known as the farmer's friend because they make tunnels for the plants so that the plants can get air and water through the soil. Potters make pottery using clay soil. You can see in the picture that the potter is making pots and clays. They use clay soil, and this soil is also used to make a kacha house. People also use mud to make kacha house. Okay, now we'll come to the next one. Rocks. What are rocks? We know the hard part of the soil is known as rocks. Rocks are of different varieties. Rocks are also of different shapes. Granite is a very hard rock. Granite is known as a very hard rock. It is used in making tiles and kitchen slabs. Marble is used to make tiles, statues, buildings, and monuments. There are different type of rocks you will find. There are some soft rocks, there are some hard rocks. Hard rocks comes in the granite, marble, sandstones. All these are hard rocks. And soft rocks are chalk, slate. These are soft rocks. So I hope in this video of mine, I was able to make you understand the importance of soil and what are rocks. Thank you for today and keep watching my video.